Quiet spills through the curtains, birds turning in the yard. Your voice lands softer than anything out there. Cuckoo's crow between us, neither one moves, and every second widens in the space we never use. Stay like this, don't explain. Some things don't need to know. We don't have to call it love, we can leave it undefined. If it lives between our breathing, if it's just with time, there's a truth we never hold, but it finds us when we move. Somewhere inside this quiet, it's only me and love. The streetlight paints the window and lines across the floor. Your shadow leans toward mine and asks for nothing more. We speak in smaller gestures that don't need to be planned, and something almost certain slips gently through our hands. Stay like this, don't explain. Some things don't need a name. We don't have to call it love,